Collaborating with other like-minded agents is so important at EXP. This market we're in now is changing. It's a little difficult. It's a correction market. I don't know that I'd call it a recession market just yet, but it's a correction market. And the ability to partner with, just talk to, collaborate with another agent in another part of the country or even the world, and gain and glean their knowledge, their experience that maybe they were in the business in '07 and maybe I wasn't. I was, so I can help agents get through this market because I got through the recession that we had in '07 and '08. And the ability to collaborate with agents that have been there, done that, and or know more or are smarter than they are, or have just seen things differently. The fact that we can do that and do it quickly means an agent coming to EXP is going to be able to respond and adapt to this market so much more fast, which means they're going to come out of the market faster. They're going to develop new systems and plans in a market. Like just learning that right now, guys, you got to double down. You've got to do all the free advertising you can do all the social media videos you can do as much as you can to stay top of mind and present in the eyes of your prospects, your sphere, your past clients, your centers of influence. Because when this pendulum swings the other direction and this market shifts back positively again, you're going to be the one they think of. So being able to learn from the best of the best and adapt and change quickly is part of our model. It's not much different than, we don't have brick and mortar, so we're not struggling right now. You know, EXP made $4.4 million in net income in Q3. There's another company whom I won't quote, but it's one of the largest companies in the world. They made 100,000 in that same period.